Okay children, here let us discuss the next problems. Worked example, problem number 3. An observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? Let us draw the diagram for this one first. Let us take a chimney. Let us consider this is a chimney. AB is a chimney. An observer is 1.5 meter tall. An observer is, let us consider C is an observer, or he is an observer, CD is an observer. Let us take CD is an observer. He is at a 1.5 meter tall. His height is what? 1.5 meter tall. He is at a height of 1.5 meter and he is at a distance of 28.5 meter away from a chimney. This AB is the chimney. AB is what? It is a chimney. From this chimney, he is at a distance of 28.5 meter. He is at a distance of 28.5 meter, and when he observes the top of the chimney, the angle of elevation is given here. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. When he observes, he is the observer, CD is the observer, he is observing the top of the chimney. So the angle of elevation of this top of the chimney is given here. If we draw, if he is an observer, as I told in the previous classes, if he is an observer, from his eyes, if we draw an horizontal line parallel to the ground, here this is the ground, here we have drawn a line parallel to the ground. So let us consider this point is E. The angle of elevation is given here. This angle of elevation is 45 degree. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Observe here children, here we got a rectangle. ACDE is a rectangle. In rectangle we know that opposite sides are equal and parallel. So here its opposite side, AE opposite side is a DC. Here its DC length is 1.5 meter. So AE length is also 1.5 meter. And here AC is equals to 28.5 meter. So DE is also equals to what? 28.5 meter. 28.5 meter. So we have to find the remaining height of the chimney. This is what the chimney. We have to find the remaining height of this chimney, that is this length B to E. We need to find. Let us consider that one as H. So let us find the solution for this one. Solution. Here consider the triangle BED. In triangle BED, here angle 45 degree is given. Here we know the one side and we don't know this side. So these two relation, it is opposite and it is adjacent. The relation between opposite and adjacent, that gives us tan. So tan D is equals to BE divided by DE. BE divided by DE. So tan D, angle D is given, it is 45 degree. So 45 degree is equals to BE, we don't know, that is H. We have taken it as H. And DE is what here? 28.5 meter. 28.5 meter. So tan 45 is what? 1. Tan 45 is equals to 1. So H divided by 28.5 meter. Cross multiply this one, then we will get H is equals to 28.5 meter. So here the remaining height of this chimney is 28.5 meter. So what is its total height? Total height is what? A to B. Total height is A to B. So height of chimney is equals to, therefore total height of chimney is equals to, total height of chimney is equals to, that is AE plus BE. AE plus BE. Here AE 1.5 meter, plus BE is what? B is 28.5. 28.5 meter. So this is equals to, sum of these two is what, children's? 30 meter. So the height of the building is, height of the chimney is 30 meter, children's. Okay, let us go for the next problem here. Problem number 4. Okay, children's, here the second problem is, from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of 10 meter tall building is 30 degree. A flag is hosted at the top of the building, and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag post from point P is 45 degree. Find the length of the flagstaff and the distance of the building from the point P. Distance of the building from the point P. Here, this is a 10 meter tall building. On this building, a flag is hosted. When the observer observes the top of the building, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. When he observes the top of the flag post, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. 45 degree. So we need to find this height of this distance between A to B and height of this flag post. Height of the flag post. So let us find it. Find the solution for this one. Solution. Here let us consider the first known to unknown. Here it is known, here it is unknown in the triangle ABP. So let us consider that triangle. In triangle ABP, angle P is equals to 30 degree, it is given. Angle P is equals to 30 degree, it is given. And what is given? Height of the building is given, 10 meter. Height of the building is given, it is 10 meter. So now by using opposite and adjacent, it is opposite side and it is adjacent side. So tan 30 degree is equals to opposite AB divided by AP. So we know that tan 30 degree is equals to what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So this is equals to, AB is how much here? 10 meter it is given, and AP we don't know. So cross multiply this one. This implies AP is equals to 10 root 3. AP is equals to 10 root 3 meter. That is the distance between the building from the point P. So distance between the building and the point P is how much? 10 meter. This is the distance between the point P and the building. So let us find now height of the flag post. To find the height of the flag post, here let us consider again now in a triangle APC triangle. In APC triangle, in a triangle APC, here we know that AP is known, already we found it, 10 root 3 meter. AP is equals to 10 root 3 meter, and we don't know AC. AC is what here? AC is equals to 10 plus AB plus BC, H, 10 plus H. So now we will use again opposite and adjacent relation. So tan 45 degree is equals to opposite, that is AC divided by PA. AC divided by PA. So tan 45 is what? 1 is equals to, AC is how much here? H plus 10 or 10 plus H. 10 plus H divided by AP is what here? AP we found it. It is a 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Cross multiply this one. So 10 root 3 is equals to 10 plus H. So take this 10 on this side, it becomes a 10 root 3 minus 10 is equals to H. So simplify this one again, children's. Here we will take 10 common outside. 10 into root 3 minus 1 is equals to H. Here we know the value of root 3. Root 3 is what? 1.732. So let us use that. 10 into 1.732 minus 1 is equals to H. So simplify this one again. 10 into 0.732 is equals to h. So simplify, when we simplify this one, it gives 7.32 is equals to h. This is the height of the flag post. This is the height of the flag post. It is a 7.32 meter. 7.32 meter. So in this way we can find the solution by using the trigonometric ratios. Let us go for the next problem here. Okay children, here let us go for the next problem, problem number 5. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Here small trick is there children. Here let us consider it is this sun. These two are the suns. They are at the different altitudes. They are at the different altitudes. When the sun's altitude is at this position, the ray of light falling on this one makes a shadow from B to D. From B to D. When the sun's altitude changes from this position to this position, here the shadow is formed at the position C, from B to C. This is what the condition. When sun's altitude is made an angle of 60 degree with the ground, then when it is made with the 30 degree, the distance between the 60 degree shadow and from this point to this point it is 40 meter. This point to this point it is 40 meter. We don't know this length and we have to find the height of the tower. Let us find the height of the tower by making this, finding the solution of this one. Let us find the solution for this one by using, first you can use any one of the triangle. Here I will use ABC triangle. In triangle ABC, we know that AB is equals to H here. AB is equals to H and BC is equals to X and angle C is equals to 60 degree. Angle C is equals to 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equals to tan 60 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is AB divided by BC. So this is equal, this implies tan 60 is what? Root 3. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. Root 3 is equals to H divided by X. H divided by X. So simplify this one again children, cross multiply this one. So H is equals to X root 3 meter. X root 3 meter, that is the height of the building. Let us consider this one as the equation number 1. Here we didn't get the pure height of the building, so here we have one variable. To find that one, let us take the next triangle here, ABD triangle. In triangle ABD, what is given here? Angle D is equals to 30 degree. Angle D is equals to 30 degree and BD is what here? BD is equals to 40 plus X. 40 plus X and what do we know that? AB is equals to H and AB is equals to H. Let us simplify this one again by using the opposite and adjacent relation, that is the tan 30 degree is equals to opposite AB divided by adjacent is BD. So this is equals to, this implies tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is what? H divided by BD is what? BD is, we know it is 40 plus X. So simplify this one, cross multiply this one with this and with this. So this implies 1 into 40 plus X is 40 plus X is equals to root 3 into H is H root 3. H root 3. So simplify this one again, this is 40 plus X is equals to, here we know the value of H. What is the value of H here? X root 3. Let us substitute it. X root 3 into this root 3 into this root 3. So this implies 40 plus x is equals to x root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9. So this implies 40 plus x is equals to root 9 is what? 3. So 3x. So this implies 40 is equals to 3x minus x. Take this x on this side, it becomes minus x. So 40 is equals to 2x, 2 ones are 2, 20s are. So x is equals to 20 meter. X is equals to 20 meter. Even though we don't know the height of this building, so here we have taken height of the building as h. H is equals to what here? X root 3. So height of the building is equals to height of the building is equals to x root 3. So this is equals to what is the value of x? X is 20. So 20 root 3 meter is the height of the building. 20 root 3 meter is the height of the building. So let us go for the next problem here, children. Okay, children, here the next problem, problem number 6. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8 meter tall building, this is 8 meter tall building, from the top of a multi-storied building, or this is a multi-storied building. Here this is multi-storied building, and this is small building. This one is small building. This is a small building. From this one, the angle of depressions are given. Angle of depressions are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Here, observer is at this point. He is observing the top of this building and bottom of this building. So the angle of depression, this is the horizontal line. So angle of depression between the horizontal line and the line of sight when he observes the top of the building is 30 degree. When he observes the bottom of the building, it is 45 degree. So in 9th standard you learned the one thing, that is when two lines are parallel to each other, when a transversal intercepts, then alternative angles are always equal. Observe here, this is Z-shaped angles. We say it, they are Z-shaped angles. So this is 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. In the same way, this is also 45 degree. Here this the total angle is 45 degree. So this angle is also 45 degree. Because we need to find the height of this building, it is not possible to by using directly these two to find it, or you can find it by extending this one, extending it to this point. Otherwise we have to use the alternative angles property, then we can solve it. So let us solve it by taking the two triangles are given here. Let us take the first triangle BDE triangle. In triangle BDE, what is given there? Angle B is equals to 30 degree. Angle B is equals to 30 degree, and BD we don't know. This is what we need to find. And DE here we have taken it as H. DE we have taken it as H. So let us find it by taking trigonometric ratio, that is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equals to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is DE. So DE divided by BD. So this implies the tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to DE. DE it is we have taken as H, and BD keep it as it is BD. So this implies cross multiply BD is equals to root 3 H or H root 3. BD is equals to H root 3. So this BD is equals to what? H root 3. If this BD is H root 3, this BD is H root 3, this AC is what? AC is also H root 3. AC is also H root 3 because it is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So let us use that one. Now by taking, now in triangle, Now in triangle ACE triangle. Now in triangle ACE, in this triangle ACE, what is given here? Angle A is given 45 degree. Angle A is 45 degree and AC is given. AC we found it. AC is equals to H root 3 and CE is equals to what there? CE is equals to, this CE is equals to what? CD plus DE. So H plus 8. H plus 8. So let us simplify this one now by taking the trigonometric ratio tan. So tan 45 degree is equals to, tan 45 degree is equals to opposite, that is the CE. Opposite is CE divided by adjacent is AC. So this implies that tan 45 is what? 1. 1 is equals to, CE is what here? We know it, H plus 8. And AC is what here? H root 3. H root 3. Simplify this one, cross multiplying. By cross multiplying, H root 3 into 1 is H root 3 is equals to H plus 8. Simplify it by taking H on one side. So this is equals to H root 3 minus H is equals to 8. Is equals to 8. So this implies here we can take H common outside. If we take H common outside, what is left here? Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 is equals to 8. Simplify that. This implies, so H is equals to 8 divided by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. We will simplify it by multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So this is equals to 8 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So this is equals to a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square. So this is equals to 8 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3 minus 1. So this is equals to 8 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So this is equals to, H is equals to what now? H is equals to 4 into root 3 plus 1. 4 into root 3 plus 1. But we want what? Total height of this building. So total height of this building is equals to what? Height of building is equals to 8 plus DE. 8 plus DE. So H is equals to 8. Sorry, total height of this building is CE. So CE is equals to 8 plus DE. DE, it is H. H is what here? 4. 4 into root 3 plus 1. Here we will take 4 common outside. 2 plus root 3 plus 1. So this is equals to 4 into 3 plus root 3. 4 into 3 plus root 3. That is the total height of that multi-storied building. Multi-storied building height is 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. Okay.